So far we've created a new page, we've entered text, and we've inserted an image. We've even set a title for the page. That'll be a window title. But for now, let's try to create a hyperlink and an email link in Kompozer. So back to my page, I'm going to hit return, go to the next couple of lines, and I would like to create a link to US sailing. Okay? And I happen to have that page up, the US sailing home, and there is the URL, which I will just copy. Okay? Go back here to my Kompozer page and paste it if I want the user to see the entire URL. Now, neither of those is linked, so I'm going to link the words US sailing. So I'll select it, click the icon for a link, and paste the link there. Okay? And there are lots of other things you can do with it. In our case, we're going to keep it simple. So click OK, and now we see that the words US sailing are linked. I would also like to link to, just for, again, illustrative purposes, my email address. So I'll say something like email me or contact me at, and then my address. Okay, and I will just highlight, and that is select my address. Again, choose link, put my address in there, and Kompozer has a little shortcut. You can just click the box. The above is an email address, and it inserts the appropriate HTML for that. So, okay. So what do I have? A link to a website and a link to my email address, which typically will open the user's email program so that they can send me a message. Now, often students say, gosh, these links aren't working. I'm clicking on them. They're not going anywhere. Well, we need to save it, and now we're ready to view or preview the page in a browser. So I'm going to click Browse, and there's my new page, okay? Not really pretty, but it does illustrate what we are working on. So US Sailing, sure enough, it goes to that page. And if I click on the email address, it will open my mail program, and I can send a message to that address. Notice in most of your browsers, you're shown a status bar. When I hover over US Sailing down below, you'll see the URL. When I hover over the email address down below, you'll see what is essentially a URL, mail to, and then the address. That's the HTML for that. But for our purposes, using Kompozer, those are the basic things you want to do with it. So try it out.